just wanted to kind of show you what I just created. And this is in FL Studios. It's just basically a simple beat, and I'm going to put this simple beat into Suno AI. So let's take it out. Check it out. So that's the beat that I just created. For right now, at least. Okay, cool. So we watched that. So let's plug this into Suno AI. Okay, cool. So just to let you know, this is something that I already had created earlier. So I just kind of wanted to show you basically what this shows here in Suno. So this is what it sounds like in Suno. It's just basically the same audio, right? So Suno are in FL Studios. So this one is basically what I created. So I did have obviously the beat for the drums. I just wanted to create something as a style of smooth pop electro beat synth. So you basically just plug that in here. It's all instrumental, and then you get this sound. It kind of sounds like 90s, 80s pop. Oh, I love that. Okay, and that goes on. And that goes on. It basically is, I think, one of the coolest beats that Suno essentially helped creating. And then it didn't really have an outro, so basically what I did is I went back into Suno and just created an outro for it, and then kind of plugged that all in together and created a song within the drum beat that I had. So this is basically the full song here. What I did is took this whole song and then just downloaded this WAV file, and then I turned that back into FL Studios. So let's go back into FL Studios real quick. All right, so now that we're in FL Studios, basically what we want to do is stem track the rest of the tracks, basically indicating that we're changing the tracks into just drums, bass, and instruments. So we have each separate track for one. So it's kind of nice for that. And then we can kind of play around with it. So for the drums, I basically use the Fruity Loop Parametric EQ2, which basically just looks like this. And basically what I did is I just changed this to kick and turned the volume higher so we can kind of hear that kick. And obviously it's just kind of one of those things where you have to kind of play it around with it and listen to make sure that it sounds good to your liking, and hopefully other people like it too. So there's that one. And then for the bass, basically kind of want to do the same thing. For the bass, I used the Fruity Bass Boost, which is just kind of one of the plugins that it has within Fruity Loops. And this one's fun actually, because you can hear kind of like a difference. And I believe it goes to default is I think 65 or 66 hertz, and then you can choose the amount. I think it kind of is roughly around the same. So this is kind of what that sounds like. It's not bad. It's really not bad. You don't really need to change them, but if you do, this is kind of what the difference is. this plugin on Unison. It's usually for vocals. And for some reason, when I just played around with this, it sounded better to me. So I believe you can still use it for the same purpose. So I don't know. But anyways, to me, it sounds a little bit better as well. So um, yeah, and you kind of just plug all of them together, and you kind of got a song. So if you want to listen to the full song, it's on YouTube. But I'll kind of show you what the song sounds like to about half. So if you want to listen to the full thing, yep, follow for more songs that I can create like this, and I'll show you. But stay tuned for more. Thanks.